Android 12 is here. Here's when your phone could get the update. Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo and more. Here are the smartphones expected to get update to Android 12. Google made Android 12 open source earlier this week, and that enables most of smartphones vendors to get Android 12 code for their own user interfaces. Samsung's One UI, OnePlus's Oxygen OS, and Xiaomi's MIUI will now be able to develop an Android 12-based version for their smartphones. In fact, many brands have announced plans to release the next version of their own OS based on Android 12 soon. Oppo for one is releasing Android 12 based on ColoursOS on October 19. However, the update will not be coming to all older devices. Most companies will soon release a list of smartphones that have come out in the last 1 to 2 years that will get an Android 12 update. While some brands may offer the update for much older devices, others may not. Here is your expected list of phones that could get Android 12, sorted by popular brands. Keep in mind that the list is not final and some models may not get the update. The list is also based on the past trends from the brand, given that phones which launched 1 or 2 years back typically do get an update. Google Pixel smartphones. Pixel smartphones as far back as the Pixel 3 series are expected to get the update. These include the Pixel 3, Pixel 3a, Pixel 3 XL, and the Pixel 3a XL. Newer phones like Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, Pixel 4a, Pixel 4a 5G, Pixel 5 and the Pixel 5a will also get the update. Google's upcoming Pixel 6 series is expected to feature Android 12s out of the box. Samsung smartphones. Samsung has the Android 12 beta available for the list of flagship devices. A stable update will be coming to a lot of Samsung's phones. Samsung has started offering 3 years of Android OS updates to select Galaxy phones and tablets, and their policy is valid for devices that launched in 2019 and after. The policy is not valid for all models. Below is a full list according to the Samsung mobiles. S series: Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, S20 FE, Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10 Ultra, S10 Lite, and S10e. Note series: Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 10 Lite, Galaxy Note 20 series. Z series: Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy Z Fold 2, Galaxy Z Flip, and Galaxy Fold. A series: Galaxy A72, Galaxy A52s, Galaxy A52, Galaxy A42, Galaxy A32, Galaxy A22, Galaxy A12, Galaxy A02s, Galaxy A02s, Galaxy A02, Galaxy A71, Galaxy A51, Galaxy A41, Galaxy A31, Galaxy A21s, Galaxy A21, Galaxy A11, Galaxy A03s, Galaxy A Quantum. M series: Galaxy M62, Galaxy M42, Galaxy M32, Galaxy 12, Galaxy M12, Galaxy M02s, Galaxy M02, Galaxy M51, Galaxy M31s, Galaxy M31 Prime, Galaxy M21s, Galaxy M21, Galaxy M11, Galaxy M01s, and Galaxy M01. F series and others: Galaxy F62, Galaxy F32 5G, Galaxy F22, Galaxy F12, Galaxy F02s, Galaxy F41, Galaxy X Cover 5, Galaxy X Cover Pro. OnePlus phones: A number of OnePlus smartphones from both series and the Nord series are expected to get the update since OnePlus promises 3 years of Android update for most phones. This means that OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, OnePlus 9 Nara, OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus 8T, OnePlus 7T, 7T Pro, 7T Pro McLaren Edition could be eligible for Android 12. The OnePlus Nord, OnePlus Nord CE, OnePlus Nord 2, OnePlus Nord N200 are also expected to get the update. Xiaomi phones. A lot of Xiaomi phones are expected to get the update across the Mi and Redmi series phones and the brand's Poco phones. Here is the list of phones we think will get an update. Xiaomi Mi series, Xiaomi Mi 11, Mi 11 Pro, Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11i, Mi 11 Lite, Xiaomi Mi 11T, Mi 11T Pro, Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, Mi Mix Fold, Xiaomi Mi 10, Mi 10 Pro, Mi 10 Youth, Mi 10i, Mi 10s, Xiaomi Mi 10T, Mi 10T Pro, Mi 10T Lite, Redmi series, Redmi 10, Redmi 10 Prime, Redmi Note 10 series, Redmi Note 9 series, Redmi Note 8 2021, Redmi K40 series, Redmi K30 series, Redmi 10X series, Poco, Poco F3, Poco F2 Pro, Poco X3, Poco X3 Pro, Poco X2, Poco M3, Poco M3 Pro, Poco M2, Poco M2 Pro, Poco C3. Oppo smartphones. Oppo has also announced a roadmap of all its smartphones that will get the ColoursOS 12 update. They made sure that the update will come to find the X3 Pro 5G in October 2021, while the Find X2 and Reno 6 series phones will get it in November 2021. In December 2021, the update will come to the Reno 5 Pro 5G, F19 Pro Plus, and the A745G. Other devices included the Reno 10X Zoom, Reno 3 Pro, Reno 4 Pro, and some more F-series and A-series phones will get the update in 2022. Realme smartphones. Realme announced the Real UI 3.0 following the official announcement of Android 12. The brand says it will be one of the first brands to offer updates, and the first phones to get the same is Realme GT 5G. A detailed roadmap on which phones could get should be available in the few coming weeks. For now, the company is testing Android 12 on the Realme GT 5. Vivo and Equo smartphones. There is no official list of Vivo and Equo phones that will get a new Android 12 update yet. Until it comes out, we expect that flagship X series will be eligible for Android 12. X series, X60T, X60 Pro, X60 Pro Plus, X50 5G, X50, X50e, X50 Pro, X50 Pro Plus, X50 Lite, and X51 5G. Equo series are Equo Z3, Equo Z5, Equo 7, and Equo 7 Legend. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to this video if you find out helpful.